Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off media auto download from your WhatsApp Android or from your WhatsApp iPhone. To do so, first of all, click on this three dot button in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Here, after scrolling down, you can see stories and data. And here in the very bottom, you need to select when using mobile data and uncheck everything over here. Then click on when connected on Wi-Fi, and to the same thing, uncheck everything from here. And finally, when roaming, uncheck everything from here as well and click on OK. So in this process, no photo, video, or any media files will be downloaded automatically into your phone storage, and that's how you can save your phone storage while using WhatsApp. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.